Meaning of hard sell.
Hard sell.
Hard sell.
Hard sell.
Hard sell. Hard sell refers to a sales approach that involves aggressive and persistent tactics to persuade a potential customer to buy a product or service. It typically involves pressure tactics, such as using high-pressure sales pitches or making exaggerated claims about the benefits of the product. The results of a hard sell approach can be mixed, with some customers feeling pressured or manipulated into making a purchase they later regret. In some cases, it can damage the reputation of the seller and potentially harm future sales. In summary, a hard sell approach can be effective in the short term but may have negative consequences in the long term.